Andy and you're watching Phuket Best TV. I'm down here at Tiger Muay Thai in Shillong because we have the barbecue beatdown going on tonight. And clearly, I'm not a Muay Thai fighter, but we're going to see a few in action tonight, no doubt.
Yeah, here we go for the 100th time. Hand grenade pins in every line. Throw them up and let something shine. Going out of my fucking mind. Filthy mouth, no excuse. Find a new place to hang this noose. String me up from atop these roofs. Knot it tight so I won't get loose. Truth is you can stop and stare. Run myself out and no one cares. Dug a trench out, lay down there with a shovel up out of reach somewhere. Yeah, someone pour it in. Make it a dirt dance floor again. Saying prayers and stop it out when they bring that chorus in. I bleed it out, digging deeper just to throw it away. I bleed it out, digging deeper just to throw it away. I bleed it out, digging deeper just to throw it away. Just to throw it away. Just to throw it away. I bleed it out. Go, stop the show. Choppy boys.
I've got two gentlemen with me here who fought earlier this evening, and they're sharing a beer, and they're good sorts. Hey, mate.
How you doing, bro? Lionel,
and of course,
Jono, mate.
Of course, Jono from Sydney, mate. Now, what are you guys talking about? We saw you chatting after your fight. Are you talking about, damn, I should have done that and knocked you out? Or what do blokes talk about?
We're talking about these girls here.
Really? What about these girls here?
I don't think we can say it on camera. No, I'm just kidding. No, man. Listen, he fought like a warrior. I told him anytime he wants to train, we can train together. We'll share secrets. You know, that's what people got to do. That's what fighters got to do.
That's what it's all about. Better. That's exactly what it's all about down here, and we're doing it for a good cause. We're raising money for good causes at the Tiger Muay Thai Gym Barbecue Beatdown. Cheers, guys.
Absolutely.
Thanks, man.
Thank you.
Wish I could find a way to disappear. All these thoughts, they make no sense. I found bliss in ignorance. Nothing seems to go away. Over and over again. Just like before. Everything you say to me takes me one step closer to the edge, and I'm about to break. I need a little room to breathe. 'Cause I'm one step closer to the edge. I'm about to break. Everything you say to me takes me one step closer to the edge, and I'm about to break. I need a little room to breathe.
Well, Australian by the name of Tommy. How are you, mate?
Yeah, not too bad. Pretty good, eh?
Not too bad. Did you have a fight tonight?
Yeah, I did.
How'd you go? Win, lose, draw?
Lose, yeah.
Lose. Dude, no good.
No good, yeah.
Why'd you lose?
Oh, ran out of gas in the last round and just couldn't keep it up, eh?
Got to get a few more pad ties under your belt, mate. Hey?
Yeah, that's exactly it. Eh?
Look out. And Tommy, how'd you get into Muay Thai, mate?
Started a little bit in Singapore, yeah. Yeah, just started in the gym there. Did it for about a month before I came here. And been here for a month, so that's 2 months total, so yeah.
So you're a beginner. You're 2 months into Muay Thai.
Beginner.
Wow, out of control. Well, let's step into the ring and we'll see what you're made of. How about that?
Step in the ring. Right now?
Why not?
Oh man, I just had a fight.
No, I'm joking, mate.
I cannot take this anymore. Saying everything I said before. All these words, they make no sense. I found
Now, mate, what are you doing down here? You don't look tired. What's going on?
No, I'm from England. I decided to come here to lose 100 kilos in total.
No.
Yeah.
How you going?
So far, 61 kilos in 9 months.
Man.
So it's going very well for me.
Awesome.
Feel much better. Thailand itself is an amazing country, and Tiger Muay Thai is the place to come.
Yeah, JD, good people here, man. And so what have they got you doing down here to lose all that weight?
I'm doing a lot of Muay Thai, MMA. When I first got here, I could barely walk maybe 200 meters. Now I'm running 10K every morning.
Mate, really?
So, my fitness level, my attitude, my discipline has just totally changed. Yeah.
And how did you find out about the Tiger Muay Thai gym here?
Okay, MMA is actually mixed martial arts. People would call it cage fighting, but it's actually a sport which is technical, which takes a lot of years of experience to get involved in. It's not boxing, it's not jiu-jitsu, it's not Muay Thai, it's a combination of that also with wrestling. So these guys that do it at a professional level you know, they're top guys with a lot of experience. So for me to come to Tiger Muay Thai, I travelled all around Thailand. I travelled through 12 different gyms to see which was best for me. My aim here was to lose weight, not to fight, not to increase my skills, but just to lose the weight. I travelled everywhere, and Tiger showed me the best. They was the best regime, and I felt like if I had a bad day, they would also give me the kick up the backside to get in the gym and train when I really don't feel like training. Back in September, I nearly lost my leg with an infection. Had 72 stitches. They was going to amputate my leg for 3 days. Tiger Muay Thai come up every day, supported me, got me through it, made me feel stronger, and now I've carried on with everything.
Good on you, Jimmy. Mate, Tiger Muay Thai down in Geelong. Get into it.